So he's going to work in India. No. Except in a formal sense, if you want. What do you mean? The real, I mean the paraphernalia of democracy, quinquennial elections, prime ministers and so on and so on. Well, but elections are very important. No. Elections are important provided they produce really good men. But aren't they important because they're allowed to change the government? I mean, it's better to change peaceably than yes, but who has got the idea, you see, that voting means change of government?